Meeting with Dr. Omane Boamah.
In the morning?
In the morning, 7. We had close discussion.
Hi guys, this is Facts of Facts on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, Dr. Omane Boamah has been described as the chief strategist of the National Democratic Congress. Tanko Computer and Edem Abana have been reacting to his demise. Guys, today happens to be the final funeral ceremony of these 6 gallant men or 8 gallant men who died. But today, the 6 of them who happens to be Christians were buried today. Guys, today they were taken to their final resting place, which is the military cemetery. Tanko Computer appeared in the studios of Joy News and disclosed that the day Dr. Omane Boamah died, they had a Zoom meeting with Dr. Omane Boamah around 7 a.m. And he mapped up the strategy for the National Democratic Congress to win the by-election in Akwatia. Guys, apparently, he sits at the back and map up the strategy and delegates people to go and execute the strategy. According to Tanko Computer, when Dr. Omane Boamah draws the strategy, you will come back with A1.
When you first headed?
In fact, in the morning, we had meeting with Dr. Omane Boamah.
In the morning?
In the morning, 7. We had close discussion.
In person or this was virtual?
I mean, mostly he does meeting virtual.
Okay.
He was a type who wants to use that maximize time. Instead of we coming together, sitting down, let's use the social media platform to do our discussion. So most of our meetings were held virtually. Run out to the election. He started the day we were appointed. We had our first meeting in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, candidate then office. That was the day I got to know that NPP were out for trouble. This election were going in the next year. You know, we're appointed in 2023. Yeah. That morning, we had this meeting around 7:45, and he was giving us strategies how to go about the Akwatia thing. My colleague Madi was to take the lead to go and meet Kevo, Dr. Kevo, who is the chairman of
and he will join.
Yes, and then the organizer. And I was to stay back to do certain things with the EC and all that. And they have Yaira and Dr. Taboatin to also take care of certain things. He gave us all this strategy because Dr. Omane was a master planner. All these things that we're doing, he was behind it. You sit down, put pen and paper together, map up the strategy, and say, you go and handle it, you handle this, you handle this, and sit back. And we'll go and bring him A+. That is how he was. So that morning, we had finished all this thing, and we were to report back to him by evening. But he didn't tell us that he was traveling. None of us knew he was going to travel.
One who helped the election 2024. He was the one who helped the NDC to win massively and overwhelmingly. He understands the dynamics of the game. Every one of the members of the NDC keep on saying that Ghana has lost a gem. The NDC has lost a chief strategist. Guys.
A few days before the incident, he shared a document with me and said, "For your eyes only." That speaks volumes about the relationship, how personal we were. A week before the incident, when there's some soldiers attack civilians on this Magdan saga, I sent him a message and I said, "Dog, I know who you are and I know your impeccable records. Please don't allow any military man to dent your leadership. Don't allow any military man to abuse any citizens or innocent civilians." And he sent a response and said, "You can always trust me that I will get this investigated, and after the investigation, whoever is found culpable will deal with the person." That's the kind of person he was. Doc, very fair, very principled, very strategic and forward-looking. Indeed, Ghana has lost a great man. And in all 8 of them, Dr. Murtala Mohammed is a fantastic legislator, even as a minister. Very frequent. You can go and check the attendance in Parliament. He never wanted to miss parliamentary proceedings. And anytime he's in Parliament, well-researched positions. Before he died, he encouraged me and said, "Look, I want you to go and do your PhD. It's difficult, but I've been able to do it, and so you should be able to complete yours as well. I said, Doc, you did quite well, because I thought it was too difficult to combine it with the politics. He said, no, don't abandon it. Go back to it and continue. These are all fantastic gentlemen that the nation has lost, and it's really sad that we lost them in such a tragic.
Tanko Computer argues that Dr. Omane Boamah did not even inform them that he was even traveling to Kumasi. He didn't. He did not tell them. So he believes in managing time and not wasting so much time. He believes in using the social media platform to discuss issues. And he has planned out every strategy for the NDC to win the Akwatia by-election. Guys, mind you, the New Patriotic Party went to inform the NDC that they do not want to participate in Tamale Central, hoping that the National Democratic Congress will also tell them that we have given Ablekuma to you. Bro, Johnson Asia Dunketia and the NDC do not think like the New Patriotic Party. New Patriotic Party are saying that we don't want to put the country in any competitive process of re-electing or replacing a member of parliament, such as Murtala Mohammed. We want to be empathetic. We want to be human first. But Johnson Asienu Ketia sat there to disrespect the executives of the NPP by telling them that, listen, bro, it's so sad that the NDC refused to listen. It is so sad that the NDC refused to understand where to draw the line. And now, Tanko Computer is insisting that it is important for the NDC to win the Akwatia by-election because it is something Dr. Omane Boamah indeed wanted. So they will win for Dr. Omane Boamah. He will not allow anybody to win this particular election, if not the NDC candidate, because Dr. Omane Boamah has already mapped up the strategy to win that particular constituency. So whether rain or shine, they are going to win that constituency. Guys, this is what Tanko Computer has been saying. And what do you make of it? How do you feel about it? Do you think that the NDC has indeed lost a chief strategist? Or the NDC is just trying to create an impression that, oh, the fact that the NPP have decided not to go for Tamale Central does not mean that we should leave it. If we leave it, it is something we will not be happy about it, because Dr. Omane Boamah wants us to win. So we want to win for Dr. Omane Boamah. Do you believe them? Or they are just being hypocritical? This was Facts on Ghana STM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Gracias.